This will be setup of the Tapo P400M Matter-supported outdoor smart plug. You start by accessing your Tapo application, and in the upper right-hand corner, press the plus sign, and then add device. From here, we're going to find what it is we're trying to add. So in this case, it is a plug, and then we have to go and find our Tapo P400M. So it wants us to plug this in. We're waiting for these lights to blink orange and green. They already are, so we're going to hit next. Now, to start the setup process, we're going to scan the QR code. We're just going to do that quickly off camera, and it has the QR code. Google Home. This is for the Matter setup portion of this. So in my case, my Matter hub is not currently active, so we're going to exit this portion, which will then move us to the Bluetooth, and then the device is going to search for Wi-Fi, and I'm going to put this on my IoT network and continually remind Tapo that it would be nice if they would stop displaying passwords in plain text at the forefront. You can make it so you can view it that way afterwards, but just not right away. And here we have, it is connected. So each plug acts as an individual plug. So here we can say Tapo Outdoor. We can assign a specific icon. So we're just going to say that's a house. And then we can do number 2, Tapo Outdoor, and assign something, which don't necessarily know what I would do it. So I will say that, and next, and next. Where will this be located? Garage, outdoor, or custom. I'm going to say that's going to be by my garage, and we'll give that a chance to finish up. There we go. Check for firmware. Everything's already up to date. It's setting up the time where this will check and see if there's firmware, which is one of the things I like about Tapo. So it's going to do it between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. when my network should be less congested. And here we have all devices, but if I come over to the garage, I can see here are my 2 outlets. I can turn them off just like that, or I can turn them on by selecting them here, and then it will take a moment for them to show up in the application as being turned on. There we go. And that completes setup